So, first question. Rotate the shaded shape P 1/4 turn anti-clockwise about 0, or O. Label new shape Q. Well, that's O, that's the origin. So it says rotate, so that means a turn. I'm going to draw my shape out quickly on the tracing paper. 1/4, put my pencil on the origin, and I'm going to turn it 1/4 turn anti-clockwise. It shows me my shape should be there. Put my point there and carefully mark out the points, double check it and draw the shape on. And that's shape Q. The next question says on the grid translate the shape P. Now translate means move or slide, so slide the shape P by 2 units to the right and 3 units up. That means the whole shape moves 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So if it was there, it's going to move 1, 2 right, 1, 2, 3 up, and it'll go there. Now it could have just been as easy to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and from there 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and count all the points rather than using tracing paper. I'm labelling that R. Next shape. Reflect triangle T in the y-axis. Label the new triangle A. Well, triangle T is there, the y-axis is there, so that's my mirror line. So I'm going to again draw my shape out quickly. Now I find the easiest way to do a reflection is actually to draw the mirror line on and mark on it a point where you know that's always the same. If I turn my paper over now, line up my mirror line, line up that point, I can see my shape would be reflected there. And shape A. Next question says rotate triangle T by a half turn centre 0. Again, we're rotating. There's my triangle. I'm using the centre 0. There we go, centre 0. And I'm rotating it a half turn, half turn. My shape is there. Now I've called that B. Next question. It says describe fully the single transformation. Now you've got the 4 transformations: translations, rotations, reflections and enlargements, which maps triangle T onto triangle C. Well, triangle T is this one, triangle C is this one. What's happened to T to C? It's got bigger, so we know it's an enlargement. That's one mark. We'd then look at it and go, well, that was 1, 2 squares long, and this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times what makes 6? 3. Scale factor. Hello, sir.
Do you know
the last point to this triangle is we've got enlargement, scale factor 3. We want the centre of enlargement. Now to do that, you just join up the points and make a line. Join up the points and make a line. Join up the points and make a line. So that point and that point are like the same point, so I'll join them up. That one and that one the same, that one and that one the same. You'll notice they all cross here. So the centre of enlargement is 0, 0. 1, 2, 3 marks. Question says rotate triangle P 180 degrees around the point -1, 1. That's actually helpfully been marked on there for us. Label new triangle A. So tracing paper, draw it out. Oh, come wrong there. Point on there, 180 degrees, comes to there. And the last point is there. And label it A. Second question says translate triangle P by the vector 6 minus 1. That means move it 6 right, 1 down. So you'll try it the other method this time. I'll pick this point. 6 right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 down is there. Do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 down. That one there. And this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 down is there. There's my shape. This question says reflect triangle Q in a line y equals x, label the new triangle C. So, tracing paper, draw out my shape. The line y equals x has been drawn on for me. Again, I'm going to pick a point, that point there, flip over the paper, and I can see that my triangle should be there. 1 point, another point, and another point. Question 4. Reflect shape A in the y-axis. Now, so I'll draw out shape A. It's getting a bit crowded now, my tracing paper. Y-axis is there, centre is there, flip it over, there we go. Join it all up. Describe fully the single transformation that takes shape A to shape B. Now I'm looking at it, going, right, it hasn't got bigger, so it's not an enlargement. It's not the same way round, so it's not a translation. Is it a reflection? Well, if I've got my shape there, if it folded over, it's going to look like that, so it's not a reflection. What about if it folded over that way? No, it's not going to go that way. It must be rotation. So I'll try rotating it. Oh, look at that, first time. So I pick a point, I rotate it, and I can see that it's a rotation around the centre 0, 0. So that's the centre of rotation, and I change it 90 degrees anti-clockwise. One mark for the rotation, one mark for the centre of rotation, and one mark for how much you're turning it. The last question I'm going to do is this one. Enlarge the shaded triangle by scale factor 2, centre 0. Now, I look at it and go, there's my centre of enlargement. And I'm making everything 2 times bigger. Well, how do I get from there to there? Well, I move 1 right and 1 down. I've done it like a vector. Times that by 2. Comes to 2 minus 2. So that means 2 right, 2 down. That's my new point. Let's try this one. So I'm going to go 1 right, 1, 2, 3 up. 1 right, 3 up. Scale factor 2, so times that by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So my new one is going to go 1, 2, so again from the centre, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. That's my new point. I can do it one more time for this one. It goes 1, 2, 3, right, 1 down. 3 right, 1 down. Times that by 2, goes 6 minus 2. So it's going to go 1 from the centre, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. I've now got the 3 points of my new shape, and I can join them up like this. Done. That's the last one for today.